Chef Qlik here, and I'm excited to welcome you back to the Qlik MCP Cordon Green Culinary School of Agenic Awesomeness. Sous chefs, until now we've been utilizing Claude as the client front end for our work, but today we're taking a first look into Cortex Code from Snowflake, which just went GA. That's right, all of our joint Qlik and Snowflake customers can do their dance of joy because this course is going to show you how to use Qlik MCP right within Cocoa. Oh, that's their super cool nickname, and it just might be the next best thing to chocolate. Let's get started. I'm doing a split screen video here so you can see my application here, which is called Cortex Audit 10. I have no master dimensions at this point, no master visualizations. I do have fields in the application. What I'm going to ask it to do is create the master items for me. As you can see here, I have my MCP server connected, and I'm able to get a list of all of my tools. Now, you don't need to memorize all these tools. I just want to show you that there are lots and lots of tools that we can use, including the ability to create master dimensions. So I'm simply going to say, hey, please create master dimensions for me for all my fields and be sure to include good descriptions for them. And I've told it what application I'm asking it to do it in. As always, the first time you try to access any of the tools, it's going to ask you to ensure that you want to allow that security to happen. Just as a failback, you can initially say, hey, I just give you permissions to everything, but I do like to, in my videos, show you that that is going to ask that so that you are safe each and every session. Now you'll see that it goes through and it iterates and tries to find the fields that are there. And now it has created all of my master measures, my master dimensions for me. If I look at any of these, and I should have held still for a second there, you'll see that it created master dimensions with the real field name, but it gives me a nice user-friendly name, and it did give me a good description. It also goes ahead and gives me a summary of those, so if I wanted to make sure or take a copy of that, I could. Well, now let's go ahead and see how it can create some measures for me. So I'm going to paste this in here. And I've said, please create master measures for me for the total number of audit records, the total number of Qlik answer audit records, the number of skill audit records, and the unique count of the users. Again, it's asking for permissions to be able to do these things, and voila, it's got them created for me. And if I look, sure enough, it has now created those just that fast. Shows me, and it's using set analysis here to get those values, and it explains what it's done. There you have it. In just a matter of moments, we're able to create all of our master dimensions and the master measures that we desire for our application behind the scenes using Cocoa from Snowflake and Qlik MCP. Keep cooking with those questions, no microwaves. See you next time, sous chefs.